Yes, I'm Al. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I filmed with my face on cam. And it's really awkward right now because I have a lot of reasons not to film this. Number one, my ring light was broken and my setup was a mess right now. That's why I'm holding this with a stick and I don't know. But anyway, I think we really need to film this. Another reason might be the earthquake. If I will let it shake me, then probably that's a part of the reason. And there are a lot of things that I'm considering before I continue to film this. But anyway, I'm doing it anyway. And please bear with me because my setup right now is a little bit of a mess. Okay, why am I filming this? I want to share with you something about my regret. Um, Let me take you back to 2015, wherein that was the time that I had this regret with me about supposedly owning pieces of land. Yes, this talk is about real estate. And as you all know, I'm currently engaged in real estate, and the reason I'm engaged with it is because for the past years, I've been studying on how to invest and what are the best investments. And I stumbled upon different mentors, different books about investing. Oh my God, I really don't know if this will work because I'm just holding a selfie stick. And I hope this phone will give justice to the stability and everything. But anyway, if you just know, this is the third time that I am filming this. Okay, going back to my regrets about real estate. That was 2015, wherein I was still employed, and that was my first and last employment. And at that time, one of my colleagues contacted me about this land in El Nido, Palawan. I actually have the money at that time to invest, but I refused. Number one, because probably of fear of losing money. That could be because at that time I really don't know what investing is, especially in real estate. And then there was this another opportunity wherein the land is here in Pototan, Iloilo. And at that time, the land was introduced to me and is amortized for only 1,700, if I'm not mistaken, per month. And the value of that land is approximately lower than 1 million at that time. That was 2015, if I'm not mistaken. But then time passed, and right now that specific land is probably valuated at not less than 3 million right now because of the improvements within the area. A school was already built there, and there are several restaurants right now, popular restaurants in line on that area right now. And so, as they all say, you will only regret something that is on the past. And yeah, those are my regrets on the past about real estate investing. Right now, while I was studying about investing, I realized that one of the best investment definitely is real estate. Now, it's 2025 and I have learned a lot, especially in real estate. And please don't get me wrong, I'm still new to this industry. But somehow, in my more than a year of experience in real estate, selling and investing, I could say that I have learned a lot and I wanted to share to you what I have learned. And most of all, I wanted to share to you the best investments to invest this time, most especially here in Iloilo. Let me share to you the top 5 properties that for me is the best investment here and near in Iloilo City. Number 1, the King's Properties. King's Properties is just new here in Iloilo and they are Cebu-based. You can actually contact me for further details about the property. It is the first on my list because it is still in its introductory price, which means an introductory price is the lowest price of the said property. You can hear or see those who market real estate about the word pre-selling. So introductory comes before the pre-selling, which means this is the real lowest price in buying a property, especially in buying with developers. So right now here in Iloilo, King's Properties is still in its introductory. And again, feel free to comment if you are interested in their project. Why you should be interested with it? Number one, because of the location. It is located across Mega World's business park. Any property that is near Mega World will definitely have its valuation go up once the construction started or once it already is building there. That's why it is one of the best investment right now because of its location. Next, because it is the first small office, home office type condominium in Iloilo City, or as they call it, Soho. So it was called Soho because tenants could not only be residential, they could also use the unit as their office, but there is a maximum number of employees for you to operate in a Soho type of building. They actually accept dentists, doctors, engineers, even most especially those who are work from home. This project will be built with full amenities just like in other residential condominiums. But again, it can be used as a office. Second property that for me is best to invest this 2025, and that is WV Towers in Mandurriao, Iloilo. If you are looking for a ready for occupancy unit, a condominium, it's a staycation type, and it is located in the heart of Iloilo City with a urban view wherein there's a city view, there's also a mountain view. WV Towers is the best for you, and it is several minutes away from Mega World, SM, and one ride going from there to Iloilo City proper. And it is very close to the hospital, the Plaza of Mandurriao, and the schools. What I love about WV is they offer spacious units, big sizes of units. Even their studio unit is in 28 square meters, the very least. And they also offer big units like the one bedroom loft, two bedroom loft, and three bedroom loft. I have created a video about WV Towers units and the full virtual tour of its amenities. Feel free to click the link above. You can also leave me a message in the comment section if you are interested to book a site tour. The third property that for me is one of the best investment to have this 2025 are the properties of Sacred Heart of Jesus Development Corporation in Rojas City, Capiz. They are best known to be the developer of Pueblo de Panay. And right now, house and lots are available for sale. In this year, they will start to sell their condominiums. If you are interested in Rojas City area or Rojas City, Capiz, feel free to comment and let me know, connect with me. By the way, I also made a video about their projects. Just click this link. The fourth property that for me is one of the best to invest this 2025 here in Iloilo is the properties of La Filipina Uygongco. La Filipina Uygongco offers house and lot, and even commercial lots. The commercial lots are actually for sale and for lease. They also offer fully furnished house and lots. They are not just house and lots. They offer premium types of houses. Their properties are located and best known as Monte Rosa subdivision. If you are interested in that area in Mandurriao, Iloilo, feel free to comment and let me know, and I will give you the full details. And by the way, I also made a video about it, the full tour of the fully furnished house and lot and the commercial spaces. Just click there. And finally, my fifth property on the list is not anywhere here in Iloilo, not even in Western Visayas. That is in Palawan. Yes. Did you know that it is best to invest now in Palawan? Most especially in this property that I am going to share with you. You know why? This is the very first condominium project in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, the Casamira Towers. This condominium offers 7 towers with complete amenities and is at the heart of Puerto Princesa, very close to the beach. It is 5 minutes away from the beach, just 12 minutes away from Honda Bay Beach, which is known for the island hopping beach of the tourists. As we all know, Palawan is one of the top tourist destinations here in the Philippines. And right now, Casamira Towers is still in its pre-selling price. And the condominium is already under construction. I have a 4-assume unit in Casamira Towers, Palawan that will be turned over on 2029. If you are interested in this unit, because this unit is much cheaper compared to the current price of the new units. If you are interested in this 4-assume unit, feel free to comment below and I will give you the full details. But if you want to avail of the new units, yes, we still have new units for Tower 6 and Tower 7. Just comment if you are interested so that I can give you the full details. In the description box, I will leave there all of the pages where you can inquire those specific 5 properties that I have shared to you today. Feel free to check the description down below. Most of the time in investing, it is not just about the money, but most importantly, it is all about our knowledge about the investment. And because of that, I decided to give you clarity about real estate investing. Yes, clarity and transparency, because I've been in this industry and I understand to be a client and at the same time a seller. And so, if you want to learn more about real estate investing, do like, share, and subscribe this channel, for I will share the things that I have learned in investing in real estate. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlogs.